Hi everyone. In today's session, we are going to solve this paper. This is Mathematics D, paper 1, 402411 and session May, June 23. So let's start with the solutions. Question number 1. Work out 1 to 3 4.4 divided by 8. So first of all, we need to get rid of this decimal. So let's write it as fraction 1 2 3 4 4 divided by 10, and this divide is replaced by multiplication, so times 1 over 8. Okay, now we have to simplify this. So 8 ones are 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40, 8 fours are 32, and then we have 8 threes are 24. So this becomes 1543 divided by 10, and the numerator is not divided by 2 or 5, so this is it, and we can write it as a decimal 154.3. So this is the answer. So next we have to simplify this. 3 over 7 of 56 means times 56. 7 ones are 7 and 7 8. So we have answer 24. Okay, next write down the fraction of this 3 by 3 square that is shaded. So this is shaded area, and we can see that we have 9 small square boxes inside the bigger box, and the shaded area is this one big box, small box, and it also contains another small box, right? So this is 1, this is 2, and this is the area which is equal to this one. So this is how shaded area consists of 3 small boxes. So ratio of this shaded area to the entire square is 3 divided by 9. So this is equal to 1 over 3. This is the fraction of shaded area. Part B, evaluate 0.5 square. So you can write it as 0.5 times 0.5, and it can be written as 5 over 10 times 5 over 10, and this is equal to 25 over 100, and this is equal to 0.25. This is the answer. Question number 3. Diagram shows 4 straight lines meeting at a point. This is the point. Work out the value of x. So we know that all the sum of all the angles at a point is 360 degrees, and wherever you see this square along the angle, that is the angle of 90 degrees, or this is right angle. So let's add all these angles. X plus 40 plus 90 plus 120 is equal to 360 degrees. So in order to find values of x, we have to subtract all these from 360. So x is equal to 360 minus 40 minus 90 minus 1 to 0. So this becomes 110. So x is equal to 110 degrees. Part B, ABC is a straight line and BCD is an equilateral triangle. So work out the value of y. So since BCD is equilateral, it means all the angles are equal. So, and each of the angles is 60 degrees. Now, since these are the angles on line, so on straight line, so y plus 60 must be equal to 180 degrees. and this gives us value of y, that is equal to 120 degrees. Question number 4. Benjamin's age is t years. Mariam is 5 years younger than Benjamin. So write an expression for Mariam's age. So if Benjamin's age is t, so Mariam 5 years younger means her age is t minus 5 years. Colin's age is twice Benjamin's age. Write an expression for, so Benjamin's age is t. So twice t means 2t. Part B. Given that a is equal to 3, b is equal to -2, evaluate this. So let's plug in the values. 5a minus 2b equals 5 times 3 minus 2 times -2. And this is equal to 15 plus 4, and answer is 19. Question number 5. Insert one set of brackets to make the calculation correct. So you can put brackets here, you can put brackets here, you can put brackets here. So these are the possible options to put the brackets. So we need to insert one set of brackets, that is one pair. So let's see how does it work. If we put bracket here, you can see this is 10 minus 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3. So this is not equal to 9. So this is not going to work. Okay, let's do that. This is 8 times 2 minus 7. So this is 16 minus 7, and this is equal to 9. So the correct pair would be this. Insert plus, minus, and multiplication to make the calculation correct. So we have to insert all of 3 signs. So let's try. 3 times 5 minus plus. So let's see what happens. 5 3s are 15. Minus 2 is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. So this is the right order. Question number 6. Complete the pattern so that AB is the only line of symmetry. So this is the line of symmetry AB, and this is actually the shape which we need to use to create the pattern. This is the shape. So since this is line of symmetry, so every point of this shape would be at this side of line at same distance. So this point, so this is how you can draw the line using symmetry. Similarly, this line can also be drawn using symmetry. So this is the shape pattern with the help of symmetry. Part B. A hexagon has rotational symmetry of order 6. So the perimeter of the hexagon is 30 centimeters. Draw a sketch of the hexagon labeling the lengths of the sides. So a regular hexagon with all equal sides has a symmetry of order 6. Symmetry of order 6 means if you rotate the figure, it remains same, right? So it means it would be a regular hexagon, and since sum of all the sides perimeter is 30 centimeters, so let x be the length of one side of hexagon, then 6x is equal to 30. X is equal to 5 centimeters. So let's draw the regular hexagon with every side, length of every side is 5 centimeters. So this is the hexagon which has rotational symmetry of 46. Question number 7. Here are 5 temperatures: -18, -21, -2, 17, -10. So write these temperatures order from coldest to hottest. So the coldest would be the most negative, that is -21. So let's start with the coldest one, -21, and then -18, and then -10, -2, and 70. So this is the order from coldest to hottest. Work out the temperature that is 5 degrees colder than -18. So colder means we are going to subtract 5 from -18, that is -18 minus 5, and which is equal to -23. Question number 8. A rope is cut into 3 pieces with the lengths in the ratio 3 to 5 to 4. So the length of shortest piece of rope is 180 centimeters. Find the length in centimeters of the longest piece of rope. So shortest piece has ratio 3. It means 180. Longest piece has ratio 5. So length of longest piece would be 180 with 3 times 5. And that is equal to 60 times 5. And this is equal to 300 centimeters. So find the total length of rope. Give your answer in meters. So this is very important to note. So we have shortest length, which is equal to 180. We have longest, which is equal to 300. And the third side has the length of third piece, is length of third piece is 180 divided by 3 times 4. So 60 times 4, and that is equal to 240. So let's add all of these to find out the total length of the rope, and that would be 720. So 720 centimeters. So we have to convert it into meters, and that would be equal to 720 divided by 100 meters, and this is 7.2 meters. Question number 9. The diagram shows triangles A and B. So describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So you can see, if we take center O 0, origin O 0 0, and we rotate this point about the center. Similarly, we rotate this point about the center. So we can we can map this triangle onto the triangle B. So this is a rotation. So this is a rotation. With the angle 90 degrees. And this is going to this, so clockwise. Its direction is clockwise. Question number 10. Work out 1 over 1 over 3 times 8 over 9 and give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So let's try. 1 whole 1 over 3 can be written as 3 plus 1 4 over 3 times 8 over 9. So that is equal to 32 over 27. So it cannot be simplified further. So let's write the mixed fraction. 1 whole 5 over 27. Part B. Kate has a bunch of grapes. She ate 1/4 of the grapes in the morning, 2/3 of the grapes in the afternoon. Work out the fraction of the grapes that she has not eaten. So in order to find the fraction which has not been eaten, we are going to subtract sum of these two, which has been eaten, from 1. That is 1 minus 1 over 4 plus 2 over 3. So this is equal to 1 minus, and this is going to be 3 plus 8 divided by 12, and that is equal to 1 minus 11 over 12, and that is 1 over 12. So this is the fraction she has not eaten. Question number 11. Solve the inequality x minus 5 is more than 3x plus 7. So it can be written as x is more than 3x plus 7 plus 5, 12. Or it can be expressed as negative 2x is more than 12. Or since we have to solve, so we have to find the range of values for x. So it can be written as negative positive 2x is less than negative 12, right? Or we can write it as divide the inequality by 2. So in this case, we actually multiplied this by negative 1. So that is why the inequality reversed. So x is less than negative 6 is the solution. Question number 12. So part A, Ali keeps a record of computer games he plays. Out of the first 6 wins, Ali wins 4. Out of the first 20 games, Ali wins 13. Use these results to find the best estimate for the probability that Ali will not win the next computer game he plays. So the probability of not winning in the first game when he played 6 games was 2, winning is 2 over 3, so losing is 1 over 3, right? And out of first 20, Ali wins 13, so not winning is 7 over 20. So let's see which one is greater. So 7 over 20, and we have 1 over 3, so it means 60. So 21 over 60 in order to make denominator same. So we have 20 over 60. So this is greater. It means the probability of not winning next computer game he plays would be 7 over 20. Part B. A spinner is spun n times. The spinner lands on red 14 times. The relative frequency of the spinner landing on red is 0.2. Find the value of n. That is, we would have an equation. 14 over n is equal to 0.2. So we need to solve this to find value of n. So n would be 14 divided by 0.2. So that is equal to 140 divided by 2, and that is 70. Question number 13. The bearing of Mingfield from Lantern is 156 degrees. So calculate the bearing of Lantern to Mingfield. So for this, so since this is the angle from north clockwise, so that would be 180 plus or you may say 360 minus 360 minus 180 minus 156. So 180 minus 156 would be mm, 24, and 360 minus 24 would be 336. So this is 336 degrees. Part B. On a map, distance between Lantern and Minkfield is 4.5 centimeter. The actual distance between Lantern and Minkfield is 9 kilometers. Find the scale of map in 1 to n, in the form of 1 to n. So 4.5 centimeters. So we have to convert this into centimeters as well. To 9 times 1000, that gives us meters, and times 100 to make it centimeter. Okay. And 9 times 1000 times over 4.5. So that would be 1 to 4.5 times 2 is 9. So 200,000. So this is the form 1 to n. Question number 14. Expand and simplify. So let's expand first. 5 3s are 15x minus 10 minus 6x plus 9. So that is equal to 15 minus 6, 9x, and negative 10 plus 9 is 1. So 9x minus 1. And part B. So this and this, then this and this. So let's multiply 2x square minus 14x, then 3x, and then negative 21. So this is 2x square minus 11x minus 21. So the answer is 2x square minus 11x minus 21. So these are the first 4 terms of a sequence. This is question number 15. And find an expression in terms of n for the nth term of this sequence. So our first term is 1, and our second term is 1 plus 6, and the third term is 7 plus 6, that is 1 plus 2 times 6. Okay, and fourth term is 1 plus 3 times 6, right? So that is 13 plus 6. So this is an arithmetic sequence with common difference 6. So it's nth term. So you can see the pattern. Second term is 1 plus 1 times 6. Third term is 1 plus 2 times 6. So term number 3, there is the multiplier 2. If term number 4, we have multiplier 3 here. So it means if we have nth term, so that would be 1 plus n minus 1 times 6. So let's simplify this. We have 1 plus 6n minus 6, and this is equal to 6n minus 5. So this is the nth term in terms of n. Question number 16. OMN is a sector of circle centered at O, and ON is 20 centimeters, that is radius of the circle is 20 centimeters, and the area of this sector is 30 pi square centimeters. So find value of x, and x is the angle given in degrees. So if we know that the area of whole circle is pi r square, and the angle for whole circle is 360 degrees. So when angle is 360 degrees, your area is pi r square. So if angle is 1 degrees, the area becomes pi r square divided by 360. So if angle subtended by the sector is x degrees, so area would be pi r square over 360. Now r here is 20. So equation becomes pi times 20 square, that is 20 times 20 divided by 360 is equal to 30 pi. So now we have to solve this to find value of x, and we have x here as well, that is x. Okay, so don't forget to write x here. 30 pi. Okay, so let's do some simplification. So this is 4 times 5, this is 9, so we are left with 10 pi over 9 is equal to 30 pi, or 10 pi is equal to 270 pi. And I again forgot to write x, sorry. So x is equal to 270 pi divided by 10 pi, and which is equal to 27. So x is 27 is the answer. Question number 17. The mass of planet Saturn is this much. Mass of planet Venus is 4.9 times 10 to the power 24 kg, and calculate the difference in mass between Saturn and Venus. Give your answer in standard form. So let's try 5.7 times 10 to the power 26 minus 4.9 times 10 to the power 24. So you can factor 10 to the power 24 out. So you are left with 5.7 times 10 square minus 4.9 times 10 to the power 24. So this is 570 minus 4.9 times 10 to the power 24. So this is equal to 565.1 times 10 to the power 24. So let's convert this into standard form, and that would be 5.651 times 10 to the power 26. So this is the answer, 5.651 times 10 to the power 26 kg. Question number 18. We have y is equal to square root of x plus 2 divided by 3. Rearrange formula to make x the subject. So let's start by squaring both sides. Y square is equal to x plus 2 divided by 3. Then we'll cross multiply. Then we have x plus 2 is equal to 3y square. So we have to make x subject. So x is equal to 3y square minus 2. So this is the answer. Question number 19. A and B are the points on the circumference of circle center O. TA and TB are tangents to the circle. Show that the triangle OBT, that is this one, OBT, and OAT are congruent, and give a reason for each statement you make. So let's start with the fact that OA is equal to OB, because both are radii and both are equal, right? So first of all, OA equals OB. So we found a pair of sides equal in both the triangles. Now we also know that AT is equal to BT because they are equal tangents. AT equals BT. And one thing which is also clear, that this angle is right angle, because this is tangent line, this is radius, and both are perpendicular. So angle OAT is equal to angle OBT. So which proves that the triangle OBT is congruent to triangle OAT using SAS. Question number 20. We have fx is equal to 10 plus 7x. Find f inverse x. And for this, let's write this fx as y is equal to 10 plus 7x. Now replace x and y in. So x is equal to 10 plus 7y. And find value of y. That will give us f inverse x. So like make y subject in this new equation. So 7y is equal to x minus 10. So y is x minus 10 divided by 7. So x minus 10 divided by 7 is f inverse x. Question number 21. The diagram shows rectangles ABCD is mathematically similar to rectangle PQRS. ABCD is this outer rectangle and PQRS is the internal rectangle, and both are similar. So AB, and we have few lengths. AB is equal to 20 centimeters, that is this one. BC is 9 centimeters. PQ is 8. Find the shaded area. So in order to find shaded area, we have to find area of ABCD and area of PQRS, and by subtracting we'll have area area of shaded region. So in order to find the area of this PQRS, if we have to find the length of this side, that is QR. So since both the rectangles are similar, we can use the condition of similarity. So we have 12 over 8 is equal to 9 over QR, and this gives us QR is equal to 9 over 12 times 8. So this is 3 4s are 3 3s are 4 2. So this is 6. It means a QR is 6. Now area of ABCD is 12 times 9, that is equal to 108, and area of square centimeters, of course, area of PQRS is 8 times 6, which is equal to 48 square centimeters. So difference of the areas gives us area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is 108 minus 48, and that is 60 square centimeters. Question number 22. Factorize 7y plus 2xy minus 6x minus 21. So if we factor y out of first two terms, so we have 7 plus 2x. And if we factor negative 3 out of last two terms, then we have 2x plus 7. So this is the common factor. So 2x plus 7 times y minus 3 are the factors of this expression. Okay, part B. First of all, factor 3 out. We have a square minus 4b square. And now this is difference of two squares. It can be written as 3 times a square minus 2b square. And this can be factorized as 3 times a plus 2b times a minus 2b. So these are the complete factors of this. Question number 23. The attendance at cricket match is 36,000. Correct to the nearest thousand. Write down the minimum number of people at the cricket match. So the range of numbers from 500 to 36,499 would be equal to 36,000, correct to nearest thousand, right? So minimum among this range is 35,500. So answer is 35,500. So minimum number of people at the cricket match is 35,500. Now the number of males attending the match is 21,000. Correct to nearest 500. Find the maximum number of females that could be attending the cricket match. So for this, we have to consider this maximum number of people in the cricket match. So that is 36,499, and we'll subtract minimum number of males. So they are rounded to nearest 1,021,000. So minimum number would be 20,750. So when we subtract this, this gives us maximum number of females that could be attending the cricket match, and that is equal to 15,749. Question number 24. 100 batteries are tested to see how long they last. The table shows the result. So complete the histogram to show this information. So we are given number of hours and frequency. So this graph shows us number of hours and frequency density. So we have to find frequency density first. So for this, frequency density is, for this class, frequency density would be 10 divided by 15 minus 10. So that is equal to 10 divided by 5, 2. So for this, 24 divided by 21 minus 15. So 24 divided by 6, that is equal to 4. And for this, 36 divided by 30 minus 21. So 36 divided by 9, that is also equal to 4. So here 30 divided by 50 minus 30. 50 minus 30 is 20. Yeah. So 3 by 2, that is 1.5. Okay, let's draw this. So we already have one piece, which is this 15 to 22, and you can see the height of this rectangle is 4. So for the first block 10 to 15, height would be 2. That is, this is how we will draw. This is the line where 10 lies. Yes. All right. And 21 to 30, density is 4. So height would be same as the previous one. So this is 10 to 30. Okay. And 30 to 50, density is 1.5. So we have 1 somewhere here and 1.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is 1.5. So this is the rectangle from 30 to 50. So this is the complete histogram for this table. Question number 25. Find the value of A and the value of B when A x b to the power 3 is equal to 27 times x to the power 4. So left hand side can be written as A to the power 3 times x to the power 3b, which is equal to 27x to the power 4. So x to the power 3b should be equal to x to the power 4, and a cube should be equal to 27. So a cube is equal to 27 is equal to 3 cube. It means a is 3, and x to the power 3b is equal to x to the power 4 means 3b is equal to 4. It means b is equal to 4 over 3. So these are the values of a and b. Question number 26. A is the point -2, 3 and B is the point 4, 7. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB is x coordinate of midpoint is -2 plus 4 divided by 2, and y coordinate would be 3 plus 7 divided by 2. So it means this is 2 over 2, that is 1. and 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So these are the coordinates of midpoint. Line L is the locus of points that are equidistant from A and B. So find the equation of the line. So we'll assume that xy be the point on the line. Point on the line L. Then since every point on the line is equidistant from A and B, so distance from of this point from A would be A is the point negative 2, 3, x plus 2 square plus y minus 3 square root, and distance of xy from point B would be x minus 4 square plus y minus 7 square. So squaring both sides and expanding these squares, we have x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to plus y square minus 6y plus 9 equals x square minus 8x plus 16 plus y square minus 14x plus 49. Okay, so simplify these. So x square, y square, x square, y square. So then we are left with 4x minus 8x, that is 12x, negative 6y plus 14x, that is plus, that should be y, 8y. So negative 6y plus 14y, that is 8y. And this is equal to 16 minus 4 minus 3 is 3 plus 49, that is equal to 52. So this is the equation, and if we divide whole equation by 4, we get 3x, and that is positive, right? Negative 6y plus 14y is plus 8y. So if we factor 4 out, we have 3x plus 4 2y is equal to 13. So this is the required line. 3x plus 2y equals 13. Question number 27. So we have a parallelogram O, A, B, C, where OA vector is given by 2A. This is OA vector. OC vector is 3C. M is the midpoint of BC. This is M. T is the point on OB. This is T. Such that OT and TB ratio is 2:1. That is, TB is 1/3 of OB, or OT is 2/3 of OB. So part A, find OB in terms of AC. OB is this, okay, OB. And since this is 2A, this is parallelogram, this is also 2A, okay. So it means OB is equal to, using head and tail rule, triangle law, OB is equal to OC plus CB. So that is equal to 2A plus 3C. So this is OB. Express as simple as possible in terms of A and C. AM. AM is this line. Okay, let me join A and M. Sorry, what is the line AM? Okay, so AM, this direction. So if this is 3C, this is also 3C. And this is midpoint. So BM would be BM is the opposite direction of CB, so it is half of actually 2A, and direction is negative of CB, so this is negative A. Okay. Now AM is equal to AB plus BM. So this is equal to 3C minus A. AT. So AT is this 3C plus BT, and BT is negative half, negative 1/3, right? So this is going to be 3C minus 1/3 of OB. So OB is 2A plus 3C. So let's simplify this. We have 3C, let me write 9C and 1/3 outside. So 9C minus 2A minus 3C, and this is equal to 6C minus 2A over 3. 6C minus 2A over 3. So, or it can be written as, if you factor 2 out from the numerator, you have 2/3 of 3C minus A. So you can see that AT is 2/3 of AM. Part C, show that ATM is a straight line. So we have already seen that AT is 2/3 of AM. AT is equal to 2/3 of AM, and both are parallel to, because this is scalar multiple of this factor, right? This is scalar multiple of AM. So both are parallel, and this shows that this is a straight line. Okay. So that's all for today. Take care. Bye.